If you're a content creator and you think, oh, you had discussions with people on phone, is not recorded, or it's not through text message or voice record, so those discussions are gone. Sorry is your name. If somebody you discussed or you tarnished somebody's image, okay, like for instance now, all of you that I've known on social media or even outside social media that have called one time or the other on phone, either with direct call or WhatsApp call or even messenger call, all those calls are recorded. It is very easy to gather all of them. All the people I've chatted through text message on my phone, WhatsApp messages, all those things are recorded. Not me recording them. The network providers have all our data. It is very easy to get it and it does not cost money. Okay. So if somebody is telling you that you said something or you discussed something with him or her and you're like, yeah, there is no evidence, and you in your mind, you think, your little mind, you think it's just phone call. And after all, he or she will not provide it. I laugh for you. For instance, if you're in Nigeria, in Europe, it's very easy to get it. Very, very easy. In Nigeria, people think it's difficult, but I need to open your eyes now. If you want to get, there was a time when I was in Nigeria before I came to Europe. One of my cousins, the girl he wanted to marry, they started having issue. The issue became so bad or difficult that we had to go to Glow office. The lady was working in the Glow office. The only thing you need to do, MTN, Glow, Airtel, I don't know, Etisalat, any of them. The only thing you need is just police report. To get police report authorization in Nigeria, 5,000 naira is enough. I don't know, depending on the branch you're going and the policeman you know. Okay? Once you get police authorization letter, you take it to any network provider, any of their offices, that letter. If possible, you back it up with a lawyer's letter or you go with a lawyer. The moment there is a police report, the MTN provider, if you go to any customer care or the front desk officers, they have managers that sit behind them. They will pass that letter to them, then they will call you inside. They will just ask you for your number, the number you are using to communicate with that person. Immediately, they will key it into their portal. All your conversations, starting with the messages, they will first of all print out all the text messages you've written, like communication. They will print it out, even if it's 100 pages, they will print it out like this in paper and give you. And you will sign and collect. Then if they will ask you to get a flash drive. Inside the flash drive, they will transfer all the voice conversations. That's all the phone calls you've made that has happened between that line. For instance, if I'm using MTN and I went to MTN office, even if you're in London, I've been calling you without my MTN. MTN will provide me, as far as I have police authorization, MTN will give me, the owner of that line, do you understand, all my conversation with your number, everything that happened between when we started talking, the first time I saved your number on my phone till the last day we spoke. So if you're insulting people, making wrong communications, passing wrong information about people and all that, even your own number, if I have your number, for instance, and I have somebody that lives in the UK, for instance, number, and I know that both of you planned something against me, I can actually get authorization. Submit your number, you that is in Nigeria, to MTN or any network you're using. Submit the other person in the UK, both of you. Once I have authorization, a letter from police, they will search your conversation, you and the person in the UK, and they will give it to me, in case if I need it in the law court. So, if you are, why I'm saying this is because we have a lot of illiterates, stark illiterates on Facebook especially. If you go to Twitter, there are learned people on Twitter. Most of you cannot survive in Twitter because you need to write. Instagram too is a bit tushed. TikTok is for entertainment mainly. Okay, I'm Saga na TikTok, but it's not like Facebook. Facebook is filled with stark illiterates. YouTube, I'm Saga, but it's not like Facebook. Facebook is where you see an illiterate coming to advise a learned person. A poor man will comfortably be trying to advise a rich person. But meanwhile, he has not used his wisdom to go and study or to go and better his poverty life. You will see a child on Facebook commanding an adult, telling an adult what to do, and they will tell you it's their right. Only on Facebook these things happen. Okay, so if you think you had conversation with somebody, when the case gets to court, because the only language our people understand the hard way is the legal system. And that is the easiest way. If you're a content creator and somebody bullies you, don't bother replying. Do as if you are mumu and take it up with the law. That is the only way. Take it up. Police will get the person arrested to come and bring evidence. Within 48 hours, they will charge the case to court. It's as simple as that. And it doesn't really cost so much to do these things I'm saying. Once the case is charged to court, the person will first of all bail himself, get a lawyer, and start coming to court to provide the evidence in court. Stop replying people on social media. They will tag it to fighting. When somebody bullies you or passes wrong information about you, don't bother replying. Keep calm like a mumu person and use the police and lawyers to answer the person. That is it. So every conversation I've had with every one of you on social media that own pages on Facebook is on my phone. No? If I don't want to get it through your number in Nigeria, I will get it through like here in Austria. It's very easy here. My conversation with you, everything is on my phone. Even the ones that WhatsApp have lost on WhatsApp, the voice records I sent to you, my phone calls with you is here. I will get it. And I don't have to tell you people, I've started gathering my informations because I know the future is bigger. So let's be guided. It's not a threat. So I'm trying to educate you people. Some of you, because you think your wisdom, most of you, your wisdom ends in your parlor. You think everybody is at your level of exposure and reasoning, at your low level. So when I call some people stark illiterate, they get angry. Let's be guided. This is Daisy Senpai. And as they pass my own information, always speaking in narratives, in parables, always speaking in parables. When it happens, you see them, they will start crying and now they are using police. But when those people are bullying, harassing people, cyber stalking them, you were clapping for them. This is Daisy Senpai. Bye bye.